Puilano Dipor Kaham Tini Jin Titi Edisa Haponi Bakte Saklaimo Tai Logibo Tongo Jini Press Meet Klaitani Jini Honorable EM Bangona Rajesh Tripura Te Jini Honorable MDC Jini South Juni Chairman Bangona Deoji Tripura Te Jini Sports and Youth Affairs Department ni Jini Principal Officer Bangona Omorti Deborma Puilano Sakle Mutamnai Jini Titi Edisa Haponi Jini Bobagrana Belakan Hambai Omahke initiative kaham nawe jini sikla saler mati julman bagai te jini honorable CM honorable deputy CM te joto EM te joto jini MDC joto ni support by jini Dipra Football League success klaiman ka te amani final match ngai 15 tariko 15 tarik ni duita tampro Khumulung Stadium bo Thangjaknai Thangnai rokni bising tolni wngkha chini Gumoti district ni team by chini West Zone borok batelainai tai third position o tongrukha eba thungai kuplain ka third position bagai chini Dolai okay jaga chini special guest ni phaimaja phaine chini Indian football team ni captain former captain Mr. Bajun Budia hai chini pandano masani phaine tai botongai chini hani bobagra Maharaja Sri Pradip Vikramaniko Deborma bobologi tongai tai jotto chini Dipra Hasen Lukorokno khakaham tai jotto chini thungrung eba dolni ni chini players no hani khakaham borongni bagai chunti dedi sa haponi khakaham yapar horo nar kaham kulungai practice kelai final match narok tai bonong kurung kukno funudi tai first prize tongnai chini kuplai rono 3 lakh tongnai second prize tongnai 10 lakh third prize tongnai 75,000 okay opa to phaimaja phagai hastini jo to chini thung hangja tongnai chini jo to lukorno khabai lam sogo jung tiri dise hapang ngai